So this is my go-to signature look. This is my everyday makeup look, no foundation, super easy and beginner friendly. I've gotten a couple of requests to share you guys my makeup. This is what you will see from here on out. Sometimes the products change, like obviously the lip combo, or I may use a different concealer, but as far as like following this format, this is typically how I do my makeup every single day. Let's get started. Okay, so prior to doing my makeup, I always make sure that I start with a solid base. So I've already done my skincare routine off camera. I probably will never show how to do my eyebrows on camera because they don't always cooperate. Like today, they're not cooperating. So we're just gonna go ahead and skip over that. But the first thing that I do, you guys, is my eyeshadow. Now, I'm somebody who likes to keep things very simple. And that's why this routine works for me. So for eyeshadow, I go in with my bronzer. I use the shade on top there, and I'm just going to take it with this makeup brush and literally pack it all over my entire eye. I cannot stress this enough. When it comes to me, I like to keep things very simple. So for my eyeshadow, the only thing I literally use is a bronzer. So I may want to use the Hoola Toasted Bronzer by Benefit, or I'll just use this Juvia's Place Bronzer Duo in the shade Deep Dark. What I'll do is I'll just normally take this shade here, as you can see I've hit pan on it, and I'll take some on a brush and just literally pack it all on my entire eyelid. Now today I'm going to use both of these bronzers, just a very little bit, and that is pretty much what gives me the eyeshadow look that I've gotten a lot of questions about. Then I've hit pan on this, so mine is literally all cracked up, but it still works. So this is just a little bit of a deeper bronzer shade, so I'm just going to take this and just do the exact same thing, and I'm just going to mainly focus it like on my actual eyelid. And then once I've built up the color to how I want it to look, I just go ahead and make sure to kind of blend out or soften up the edges. But that's literally all that I do for eyeshadow. So next I'm going to go in with some liquid blush. This one is by e.l.f. and this is in the shade Very Well. I'm not really too experienced with blush yet, but I still like to wear it anyway. This is super pigmented, so you literally only need a little bit. So I would normally, the days I'm going to wear this, put this on before I do my concealer. So I don't wear foundation at all. So this routine, like I said, this is what works for me, and this is just kind of the order of how I do things. So I literally put that much because I think even that much was too much. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and then blend this out. And then next I'm going to go in with concealer. And by the way, I'll have all the products listed in the description box. But when it comes to this, I do not put a lot. I literally only put a little bit. Promise you guys, I'm literally halfway done. So now I'm just gonna go in and set my face. So the powders that I'm using is the One Size setting powder, and then I don't wear foundation, but I do go in with a little bit of this MAC mineralized skin finish. So I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and go ahead and set my face. I like this powder so much that I had actually just went to purchase the full size the other day because Laura Mercier is just not in the budget anymore. Don't get me wrong, Laura Mercier is a great powder. I just don't feel like repurchasing it for the price that it's currently at. And then MAC mineralized skin finish. This is such a fine powder, like I'm barely picking any up. And then I'm just going to put it all over my entire face. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face really quickly. Like I said, there is not much left to do. But like I mentioned, all of the products that I'm using will be left down below in my description box. doing is putting like brown mascara on my bottom lashes. I do it occasionally. I don't know, I just like how it looks. Black falsies on top and then brown on the bottom. I just feel like, especially if you're somebody that already has brown eyes, it just makes them pop like just a little bit more. Not necessary, and sometimes I do regular black mascara, but I do like to use brown as well. Okay, so I turned one of my lights off because I wasn't sure. I won't really know until I go back and edit this footage, but I hope that everything is showing up on camera the way that it's supposed to be. Sometimes studio lights can be a little bit tricky, but this is the finished look. I told you guys it was really simple, really easy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. But most importantly, I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video, and I will see you in my next one.